stop. Before you throw another dollar into crypto, you need to hear this. Right now, while you're watching this video, whales are moving hundreds of millions of dollars, and if you do not understand what's happening, you are about to become their exit liquidity. I'm about to show you exactly what's going down in crypto today. And trust me, what happens in the next 72 hours could either make you rich or wipe you out. So sit down, shut up, and pay attention, because this is the most important 10 minutes of your crypto journey. What's up, crypto warriors? You are watching the Crypto Current, and today we are breaking down the entire crypto market in terms so simple, your grandma could understand it. But here's the thing, I am not here to baby you. I am here to make you money. Listen up. Here's what's actually happening right now while everyone's distracted by meme coins and Twitter drama. Bitcoin is stuck in what I call the decision zone, between $104,000 and $116,000. Think of it like a pressure cooker. The lid's on tight, pressure's building, and it's about to explode. But which direction? That's what I'm about to tell you, see? While you were sleeping last night, 3 major things happened. Bitcoin ETFs pulled in another $2.3 billion from institutional money. Ethereum whales just moved $800 million off exchanges. The volatility index just hit levels we have not seen since the 2021 bull run. You know what that means? The big boys are positioning themselves for something massive. And if you are not paying attention, you are going to miss the boat. Again. Here's the reality check you need to hear. The market does not care about your feelings. It does not care that you bought high. It does not care that you are scared. The market is a machine, and right now, that machine is about to shift gears. Now let me break down who's actually controlling your crypto fate right now. And no, it's not you with your $500 investment. Sorry to burst your bubble. The whales. These guys own billions. One whale just yesterday. One single wallet moved $205 million into Ethereum. When they buy, prices pump. When they sell, you get wrecked. Simple as that. And guess what? They are currently doing something very interesting. They are taking Bitcoin profits and rotating into Ethereum and altcoins. You know why? Because they are not stupid. They see Bitcoin up 400%, and they are thinking, time to diversify. Meanwhile, you are still waiting for Bitcoin to hit $1 million. Wake up! The institutions. BlackRock, Fidelity. These giants are gobbling up Bitcoin through ETFs like it's Black Friday. We are talking billions with a B flowing in every single week. But here's what they are not telling you. They are also the first ones to dump when things go south. They have stop losses, do you? I did not think so. The retail investors. That's you. And right now, retail sentiment is what I call delusionally optimistic. Everyone thinks we're going straight to the moon. But let me tell you something. When everyone's greedy, that's when you should be scared. The Fear and Greed Index is flashing warning signs, but nobody's paying attention because they are too busy buying dog coins. And here's the kicker. Only 15% of retail investors actually take profits. The other 85%? They ride it all the way up and all the way back down. Don't be the 85%.
Okay, now this is where it gets crazy. You want to know why crypto prices are bouncing around like a pinball machine on steroids. It's called low liquidity, baby. Picture this. It's like a swimming pool with only 3 inches of water. One whale jumps in. Splash. Huge waves everywhere. That's crypto right now. There's not enough buyers and sellers at stable levels. So when big money moves, everything shakes. Just this morning, Bitcoin dropped $3,000 in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Then bounced back to $1,500 in the next hour. You know what that is. That's opportunity if you know what you are doing, and disaster if you do not. And here's the secret sauce nobody's telling you. The volatility is manufactured. Yeah, you heard me right. Big players are intentionally shaking out weak hands. They dump just enough to trigger stop losses, price crashes, retail panics and sells. Then these whales buy back and cheaper. It's a game, and most of you do not even know you are playing. But here's where it gets really interesting. Smart money is now moving coins OFF exchanges into cold storage. You know what that means? They are not planning to sell anytime soon. They are preparing for the next leg up. While you are panicking about a 5% dip, they are positioning for a 500% gain. Now pay very close attention, because this is where fortunes are made or lost. We are entering what I call the altcoin casino phase. Bitcoin dominance is starting to crack. Money is rotating, and if you are not positioned correctly, you are going to watch everyone else get rich while you are stuck holding bags. Ethereum is becoming deflationary. Let me explain this like you are 5. They are burning more ETH than they are creating. It's like if the government started burning dollar bills faster than they printed them. What happens to the value? It goes up. The smart money sees this. That's why despite all the FUD, institutional wallets are accumulating ETH like it's going out of style. One whale wallet added 0 ETH last week. That's the $100 million. You think they know something you do not. You bet they do. But here's the warning, and listen carefully, minus 90% of altcoins are going to zero. Yeah, I said it. Your favorite dog coin, your revolutionary DeFi protocol that's going to change the world. Most of them are trash. The key is finding the 10% that are not. And I am about to tell you exactly what to look for, but wait, before you ape into anything, you need to understand the macro picture, because this is what's going to determine if we moon or crash. The Federal Reserve, interest rates, inflation, boring stuff, right? Wrong. This is the puppet master pulling the strings of your crypto portfolio. Here's the deal. If the Fed stops raising rates, crypto pumps. If they keep raising, crypto dumps. It's that simple. And right now, we are at a critical junction. The market is betting on rate cuts, but if they are wrong, blood in the streets. Then you have got geopolitical chaos, wars, elections, regulations. Any of these could send crypto tumbling 30% in a day. Remember when China banned crypto? 50% crash. Remember when Russia invaded Ukraine? 25% dump. The next black swan event is always lurking. And if you are not prepared with stop losses and a plan, you are going to get destroyed. But here's what the pros do. They do not predict. They prepare. They have plans for both scenarios. Moon, they take profits. Crash, they buy the dip. Meanwhile, you are probably just hoping and praying. Hope is not a strategy.
Alright, enough talk. Here's exactly what you need to do right now. First, stop being emotional. The market does not care about your feelings. Set your stop losses at 10% below your entry. No exceptions. No, but what if it bounces? It's better to lose 10% than 50%. Second, watch the $104,000 level on Bitcoin like your life depends on it. Below that, we could see $95,000 or even $80,000 above $116,000. New all-time highs incoming. These are your battle lines. Third, start dollar cost averaging into quality projects. Not meme coins, not the latest hype. I am talking Bitcoin and maybe 1 or 2 solid altcoins with real utility. And when I say dollar cost average, I mean buying the same amount every week regardless of price. Boring. Yes, profitable. ABS-O-L-U-T-E. Fourth, take profits. I do not care if you think it's going higher. When you are up 50%, take out your initial investment. Play with how small. This is not a team sport. This is about your financial future. Fifth, education. If you are not spending at least an hour a day learning about crypto, you are already losing. Subscribe to The Cryptocurin. Hit that notification bell. Because when news breaks, seconds matter in crypto. Look, I just gave you more actionable intel than most paid groups give in a month. If this helped you, smash that like button right now. I mean it. Do not just watch and leave. That's like eating at a restaurant and not paying the bill. And here's what I am gonna do. If this video gets 200 likes and 100 comments in the next 48 hours, I am giving away 10 USDT to one lucky commenter. Just drop a comment with your biggest crypto lesson and follow the channel. Winner announced in the community tab, but more importantly, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Because when Bitcoin breaks out of this range, you need to know immediately, not tomorrow, not next week, right when it happens. Disclaimer time. Listen up. This is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I am just a guy on the internet sharing what I see in the markets. Crypto is extremely risky. You can lose everything. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. And for the love of Satoshi, never take out loans to buy crypto. Seriously, like one meme is, if you want to make $1 million in crypto, invest $2 million in it. Remember, in crypto, fortune favors the prepared, not the lucky. Stop gambling. Start strategizing. This is the Cryptocurrent signing off. Stay sharp, stay hungry, and I will see you in the next one where we are breaking down the top 3 altcoins positioned to explode. You do not want to miss it. Peace.